What's good, you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and you can turn on post notifications so you'll know when I upload another skincare snatching video. It's just the bell right next to the subscribe button. YouTube has changed. My videos might not show up even if you're subscribed, so make sure the post notifications are also on. This video is gonna be another one of my favorite types of videos, which is trying a skincare mask or some interesting ingredient on my face for 5 days for a week straight. So this time around, I'm actually gonna be using sea moss. It's also called Irish sea moss, and this is algae, believe it or not. I'll leave a link to where I purchased mine, and I'll also leave an Amazon link as well. I got mine straight from Jamaica. So yeah, I had to do like a ton of research and figure out which ones are in the best water, like not on shipping container routes, and not in contaminated water, and also in places where like the air pollution isn't also terrible. I was mainly interested in drinking it and taking it in my smoothies, but then I saw all these other videos about skincare and hair care, and I thought, let me bring this to the channel. Sea moss is an algae. It contains 92 minerals out of the body's supposed 102 minerals, and it has 15 of the 18 essential nutrients that our bodies need. It has vitamins A, D, E, F, K, calcium, potassium, iodine, and sulfur, just to name a few. It is antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, and it is very alkalizing, which means it's anti-inflammatory. So that means pimples, dark marks. It soothes eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and burns, similar to aloe. It also helps grow healthy hair and is anti-aging. So I've got a hot towel here, and I'm gonna open my pores with it because my face is dry. This is day one. Super excited for this video. As I said, I am recovering from a major breakout that happened on both sides of my face. There's some here too. All right, here we go. Woo, it's cold. It was refrigerated. Sea moss is living, so if you leave it out, then it will start to rot. So it's really, really cold. So one thing I'm really curious about is if this is gonna help my eyebrows grow. But with all of the minerals and nutrients in sea moss, I don't see how, well, it helps with hair growth too. So we'll see. Then I'm also gonna bring it down to my neck. I was watching Monique. She actually had a video of her using the sea moss as a mask, and she was talking about gobble neck and how the sea moss has helped like tighten the skin on her neck. So So I used this rag and pretty warm water to get the mask off of my neck and on my face. It is so smooth, and like, look how tight it is. Plump but tight, moisturized. When I say my pores are snatched, you guys, they're very, very minimal. My breakouts even feel a little bit better than before.
money at? Yeah, where your 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 money at?
So it's day 3, and I really didn't give much of an update for yesterday because it's only day 2, and not much really would have changed, or I wouldn't really have seen many differences. All of my skin feels very tight, and not in a drying way, but just in a freshly Botox collagen way. Like, I just left my doctor. And I just feel like my face looks so fresh, similar to when I do aloe. Like, this is after doing the mask, but my face just looks fresh. My skin feels and looks youthful, which you cannot pay. Well, you can pay for this, but if you don't have the coins, then it just is it's such an easy fix. So I already am a believer on day 3 that this is like a natural collagen producing mask snatched, like I said, on day 1. So the main thing that keeps coming up is just a fresh face. Like, my skin just feels and looks very fresh and youthful. So far, so good. Let me know if you guys can tell a difference. It is day 4, and just like I thought, this is the day where I'm really starting to see major differences in my skin. So every time I've used the mask, you guys have heard me talk about how plump and tight my skin feels. I haven't rinsed, I haven't washed my face yet or done the towel or anything. Today I woke up with very youthful skin. Like, the glow. So the past 2 days that I've woken up, I didn't really notice a glow. My skin was tight and it was looking like not inflamed, but I noticed that I wasn't really glowing. And so I like washed my pillowcases, washed my pillows. As you can see, like, my skin looks and feels hydrated. These breakouts that I had on day 1, you could see them, they were plump-ish. And so now I'm seeing that the sea moss has definitely helped with the inflammation. So that is a pleasant surprise. Okay, I'm changing the angle so you guys can see it better, but like, what? It kind of looks like I went and got a touch-up of my microblading done. I'm actually amazed because I haven't had brows for years. Like, they've been there, but they've been very fine and sparse and faint. But I think they wanted to make a comeback. Y'all, if my eyebrows come back and sea moss is the answer, always, please share the video with someone you think would find it helpful. Let's beat this YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, notifications, all of that good stuff, and let's chat in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. But can we talk about my hair? You guys, it has just been feeling super thick. And like, I really want to say it is the sea moss, but I don't know yet. It's only been a couple of weeks.